सौरभ भारद्वाज जी, प्रिविलेज मोशन तो मूव हो गया, लेकिन सवाल आज भी यही है कि दिल्ली भी तो कह सकती थी। आप छोड़िए सेंटर के परफॉर्मा में O2 का कॉलम है या नहीं है, रीजन ऑफ डेथ का कॉलम है या नहीं है, आप तो दिल्ली की जनता को बता दीजिए कि कितने लोग मरे ऑक्सीजन की शॉर्टेज से।
जी, Navika ji, when this crisis of second wave started in capital, it was somewhere in the middle of April, and we were the first state who raised this hue and cry for shortage of oxygen. And around 13th of April, the central government took the control of oxygen manufacturing in their hand, and they said that they will decide the oxygen quota for each state. All states were being provided quota by the central government. Delhi was getting 50% of what we were demanding. Like our earlier demand usually was 300. Then it became 500, and towards the end of April, it was 700. And central government, after being arm twisted by the High Court and the Supreme Court, said that we will give them oxygen, but we were asked to take this oxygen from West Bengal and Odisha, although earlier we were taking it from neighboring places like Modinagar and Panipat. And now,
Saurabh ji, I understand.
Can I
In fact, everybody knows this, and it was very, very good that states raised this issue. It went to court. The courts had to step in. ये सब हम जानते हैं. मुझे सिर्फ इतना बता दीजिए, मैं गलती भी नहीं पूछ रही किसकी, मुझे सिर्फ आंकड़े बता दीजिए, क्योंकि इंसान तो अब नंबर बन के रह गया है ना कि कितने लोग मरे. मुझे ये बता दीजिए कि क्या दिल्ली सरकार के पास आंकड़े हैं कि ऑक्सीजन शॉर्टेज से कितने लोग मरे? बस इतना जानना चाहते.
Yes, Navika, it's a good question. And to answer this question, that how many people died of oxygen, there are three aspects to it. First, people who died of deficiency of oxygen in hospitals, people who died in their home because they did not get oxygen cylinder, people who were waiting on the road outside the hospitals and hospitals did not give them admissions because they said, we don't have oxygen, we cannot give you admissions. Now, these three categories, out of these three categories, only one category of people who died in hospitals can be certified by the hospital doctor that they died because the hospital did not have oxygen. Now, legal issues are there.
So do you have that number?
And the hospitals.
So do you have that? Do you have that number?
Let me just complete. Yeah. So hospitals usually will shy away from declaring that they died because we did not supply them oxygen, because it will create repercussions for them. And it required a thorough investigation at the level of government to get into each case and certify that he or she died because oxygen was not available. And the government of Delhi formed a panel of 6 doctors from private and government hospitals to investigate each such claim and also give them a compensation of 5 lakh rupees if they died because there was no oxygen available. However, the central government did not want this to be investigated, and through LG, they did not allow this committee. And this case is also in the High Court. We also informed the High Court that, we have formed this panel, we will investigate, we will get compensation. But because this panel was not allowed by the central government, so it could not be given.
The Aam Aadmi Party MLA says that there is no way of finding out because doctors don't give it. जो रोड पे हैं उनका पता नहीं चल सकता, जो घर में मर गए उनका पता नहीं चल सकता, और अलावा इसके जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना पड़ता है उसका पैनल आपने हटा दिया. तो ये नंबर तो दिल्ली की सरकार के पास भी नहीं है, आपके पास भी नहीं है. अब कोर्ट में केस कितनी दिन चलेगा, तारीख पे तारीख. I want to ask you, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, why don't you at the center and the Aam Aadmi Party sit together one-on-one with each and every state and at least give people an answer to this insensitive statement and this insensitive governance that is coming from states as well as the center? Gaurav Bhatia.
Navika, absolutely. I 100% agree that every government and their representatives should be sitting together and talking. But is it not a valid question that the citizens of our country are asking that when PM decides to chair a meeting to discuss how we better prepare for COVID-19 pandemic, Congress, Aam Aadmi Party and all these parties decide to boycott such a meeting. तो इनसे बात कहाँ करें? अरविंद केजरीवाल जी तो 1000 करोड़ के ऐड देने में बिजी हैं। वो तो इश्तिहार का पहले देखते हैं कि अच्छा सा सेटअप है कि नहीं, तो उनसे बात नहीं हो सकती. बट लेट मी प्लेस अ फ्यू फैक्ट्स व्हिच आर वेरी रेलेवेंट. This matter of oxygen supply, the center's responsibility was to map the oxygen. And after that, when oxygen has been supplied to the governments, the respective governments have to ensure that it reaches the hospitals. The Delhi government failed miserably, and I am not saying this. Jaipur Golden Hospital directly blamed the Delhi government that they could not supply them oxygen well within time before the Delhi High Court, and we lost precious human lives. Second, is it not a correct fact known by all that when Supreme Court had suggested that they would have an independent body auditing the usage of the oxygen that has been supplied to states, it was the Aam Aadmi Party government that was opposing it. And later on your channel we debated. When a report was submitted, they started saying no such report exists. When the report said the Delhi government was inflating the numbers of the oxygen that was required because they wanted to hide their own failure.
Shehzad Poonawalla, is this not shameful that after Kapil Sibal's zero loss theory on coal, now we have a zero loss, zero oxygen death theory that is being put out, and this country has to put up with these kind of statements, Shehzad?
Absolutely, Navika. And in fact, the Delhi government had in the Delhi High Court said in the Jaipur Golden Hospital case that none of them died because of oxygen shortage. This is the stand they have taken in this particular case. And you know what the Jaipur Golden Hospital people have said. Now look at Maharashtra. Maharashtra says 0 deaths by oxygen shortage. Here is a report of The Wire. The Wire is a publication, these people believe in a lot. They say 178 plus deaths across India, and they have figured that 30 deaths took place in Maharashtra out of oxygen shortage. So is Wire lying or is Maharashtra government lying? Is Wire lying or is Chhattisgarh government lying? Now the main question is that today also 7 children have died. 1 second, Sujata Paul, I'm just asking you a question. If Chhattisgarh shows 0, Delhi government shows 0, Maharashtra government shows 0, everyone is saying no deaths took place because of oxygen shortage, then how can the center give a figure out of its own mind?